Blessed morning, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel, Big Voice Radio in the building. Yo, blessed morning, you know. They on my way right now. I go to gym, I go bust a sweat. But today is going to be another interesting topic. I go talk about something where you know I don't really like talk about, but I have to talk about it because the Jamaican people, them, yo, boy, I tell you, when it come to politics, yo, Jamaican people take it serious. So the people, them, love what I do. Them know say honest and credible opinion only. See? So I go talk about it when it come to PNP and JLP in terms of running the country and who are going to win the general election. Yo, can you believe that? Some people are say, yo, Andrew Holness can lose. Some people are say, yo, Mark Golding is going to be the new leader. But me I go break it down, telling you what I go on, and you don't know. Watch the intro and me I come back. Come in at my office, we are going to raise. Boom. Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.
Oh shit, Dad, there's water running out of the dishwasher.
What?
There's water running out of the dishwasher.
How do we turn the water off?
Turn on the dishwasher.
Yeah, it's running out of the dishwasher. Dad, you're shitting.
Bumble clot!
You serious?
What the Ross? I was sleeping.
Alright, so welcome back. Seeing? Want to know what you do? Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. So, what I really want to say now, you know, Jamaica have a whole heap of issue. Seeing? Lack of jobs, whole heap of things are going on in Jamaica. The economic bad, but me personally think that the number one issue at Jamaica where I stop growth and I stop development and I stop people from investing in a Jamaica and want to come back to Jamaica. The number one problem, crime and violence. So you see, until Andrew Holness or Mark Golding find a way how to deal with crime and violence and address the gang issue and everything we are mash up Jamaica. Until one of them figure out how to do that, them nah go win the Jamaican people. Not only locally, but Jamaicans overall. The whole diaspora. Everywhere Jamaica want to come back at Jamaicans want to come back at Jamaica. But them scared. Because why? Crime and violence, that's the number one thing. Whole heap of issue, but crime and violence. Seeing? So me I go play a clip. And a Jamaica clip, you know, is a clip of Donald Trump and what he do. And me not really agree with everything what he do. But what I like about him serious and him consistent. Even though he do whole heap of foolishness. But you see, if Andrew Holness or Mark Golding or any other leader have the mindset where Donald Trump have to fix them country, they will win the mass of people. Remember me tell you that. So, I go play the clip, come back, come tell me what I go on, and you don't know anything go. Big up on yourself.
Immigration crackdown is hitting every part of the country, with new DHS Secretary Kristi Noem leading the effort in New York City. Violent criminals, including a Tren de Aragua member, have been arrested in the Big Apple, and residents there are celebrating.
I'm glad they're gone.
How long?
I mean, I was planning on calling ICE, to be honest with you, so they got here before I was able to call them. There's 15 of them in a one-bedroom. They were destroying the building. They were constantly doing drugs in front. They were illegally squatting their criminals. They're destroying the apartment. If you go inside, it's destroyed.
Yeah, how about that reaction? Heritage Foundation Senior Communications Manager Matthew Tregesser joins me now. Matthew, good morning to you. So yesterday there was this big ICE raid in New York City. DHS Secretary Kristi Noem was there to support the effort. And during it, they actually arrested a member of Tren de Aragua, who authorities say was one of the people that was harassing this Aurora, Colorado apartment complex and was seen in that widely played video of the incident last year. We're playing it on our screen right now. He was arrested yesterday. And a man who was wanted in the Dominican Republic for a double homicide was also arrested. Apparently he made his way here and now he's in custody. So what is your reaction to how all of this is unfolding?
Well, good to be with you, Carly. Look, we have to applaud the Trump administration for taking initiative and acting quickly to remove these dangerous criminal aliens who have roamed freely for at least 4 years under the Biden-Harris administration. Look, Secretary Noem, Border Czar Tom Homan, President Trump, they've all focused on 8 immigration-related executive orders to restrict immigration, to secure our borders better. And so they're acting as quickly as they can. But let's not forget, there were hundreds of thousands of criminals, potentially also with unvetted backgrounds entering our country. And so, that's going to take some time to remove them from the country. Thankfully, ICE, they're deporting well over 1,000 individuals so far. That number should increase. But, we can only really applaud the Trump administration for taking initiative and acting quickly.
Yeah, and you heard the reaction from one of the residents in New York City that we just played saying, I was going to call ICE myself. Thank God these people are getting arrested. The New York Post has a piece out today, including other reaction from residents. One person said, oh, thank God they got him, referring to the gang member, the Tren de Aragua member. Another person said, get them the heck off the streets, so people don't have to walk in fear. So understandable statements from people who have been living in fear and are sick and tired of
All right, welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. See? So, me there. Get ready for go to work again. Me I go look it. I don't know nobody now do it for you. So anyway, as me I tell you say, full disclaimer, say, me is not affiliated with no political movements. Me are no PNP. Me are not JLP, but I am a regular citizen, just like you and John Public. I am an independent person. Me no mix up in a politics, but I have my opinion, and me see where whole heap of foolishness are going. And for me personally, that's why I stay away from politics. Because, as me always say, whole heap of people, them get personal with it. So if me a PNP and you a JLP, we automatically are going to be enemy. That nothing happen. We are citizens of Jamaica. We are entitled to be what we want to be. Everybody have their own life. So why you think me have to be PNP or me have to be JLP? Because you are PNP or you are JLP? No, me fi be who me want be. I am an independent person. So if you want to be PNP or JLP and kill off uno self down there for them, you up to uno. But when me and you a fight as a regular person, Andrew Holness and Mark Golden in a them big house, in a Red Hills or Cherry Garden, and them comfortable, I eat steak and rice and I drink wine, while you can't even buy a pound of chicken back to feed your family. Make that make sense?
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
Poor people, we need to educate ourselves and come out of the dark days. Because if you look, most rich people, them will be PNP or JLP, but them not go on illiterate like the regular person in a Jamaica. We kill off themselves. You know, see that? So we need to stop them foolishness there. But anyway, me say all of that for say this. I am an independent person. Vote for who help your community, your district, your parish, and Jamaica overall. Because enough politician, PNP or JLP, Andrew Holness or Mark Golding, them full of promises. Full of promises. Because them promises say, okay, them are going to do this when they win. Them are going to do that when they win. Them are going to do this when they win. That when they win. What them do? Really? Look how them get rich. Look how them get wealthy. Them got security guard around them 24/7. Me, my pitney and your pitney I got primary school. Regular, local school. Me and your pitney them I go. Andrew Holness pitney them. Mark Golding pitney them. Where them go? Prep. Private school. Because them pitney have to safe. Them have to safe. While we are kill off each other for them. You don't need to wake up yo. And that don't mean say you can't participate or be a PNP or JLP. You're free to be who you want to be, but don't be illiterate and stupid about it. That's all me I say. That's all me I say. So, I'm not going to stay upon it long, but to me personally, when me see I go on right now, when me can see what I go on in a Jamaica, no. Andrew Holness do 8 term. 2 term. I say go 8 year. Sorry. Andrew Holness did about 8 year I think. I'm not sure. So him in a power. So basically he might do something good for the country. Because that's why them re-elect him, right? Cool. PNP are try to come in now with Mark Golding to overthrow him. But what kind of plan Mark Golding and them people them have to overthrow Andrew Holness? What kind of plan really? What kind of earth-shaking seismic change Mark Golding is going to implement in Jamaica to make Jamaica a better place and to say, okay, I am better than not Bruce Golding. I am better than Andrew Holness. What is Mark Golding or what are Mark Golding plans to overtake Andrew Holness deficiencies then? Right? Because crime are the biggest problem. Jamaica crime never go on a 1,000 for the year for decades now. What is the plan for crime, for stop crime, for bring crime under 1,000 a year? Any politician, any prime minister, anybody at all, if Bruce Golding or Mark Golding want to be Jamaican best leader ever, bring crime under 1,000 for the year and see if you don't make a difference. Remember me tell you. But no, a lot of them just want to make fake promises. Them say when they win, you can't sleep with your window open. You can't sleep with your door open. You can sleep out that door, nobody now come trouble you. Right now you're at Jamaica and you're in your house. You have padlock grill, all kind of burglar bar. And if you there inside, you have camera up on your house, you have dog in your yard, you have gun in your waist, and you're still afraid.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
Because why? You think some man can kill you. That fi stop. So imagine if a man have camera, dog, good grill, good house, and him afraid. What about the people them where we live in some place where if you lean on the door, the door open? What about those people? What about the less fortunate? Andrew Holness them and Mark Golding, the whole of them eat lobster and steak. All them dog eat steak and lobster. And poor people who are kill off themselves can't even buy chicken back or salt mackerel. That's serious? But yet still them kill off themselves for them same man there. People who need to wake up and stop the madness. Poor people feel it most. And poor people love politicians and love politics more than anybody in the world. Tell me say a lie, me I tell. Tell me say a lie, me I tell. A man will kill you. Theme party. No. Today and tomorrow you can buy a pound of rice. You think a little time me down my house and me see people a pass with green flag, people a pass with orange flag, and a big poor people out there. I walk up and down. Yet still they must stop in other people's yard and I beg them a glass of water. Can you believe that? When them things are going to change? When them things are going to change? We need to wake up, Virgin. And I don't care if you are PNP, I don't care if you are JLP, all due respect. I don't disrespect nobody. I'm just stating facts and reality. People need to stop the foolishness, especially poor people. What am I going to do? What am I to do? Somebody need to say it, and me I go say it. Vote for who make a better Jamaica. Vote for who fix up your district. If you can't fix it for yourself, anybody who can help you, help them. That's all me I say. Don't be a diated idiot. Don't be a diated fool. Be a person of sense. Who help you, help them. If Labour Writer help you and your community, vote for them. If PNP help you and your community, vote for them. That's all me I say. What problem? Wake up Jamaican people. You all are no fool. I mean, no say none of no fool neither. Only just in the dark days where only just stuck on likes and politics. What people love the most, you know. Them no business about Jamaica overall. Most people no business about Jamaica. They no business about who now get water. They no business about who now get light. They no business about who for picking and go to school. What them business bid? What them business with? And when me party, I'll keep a conference. Figure heat and make nice and excitement. And when me party, I'll come around and make we jump and hug up me politician, hug up Mark Golding, hug up Andrew Holness. That's the way most Jamaican people love. Violence and excitement. We need to stop. But we have whole heap more to say. So tune in, like if you like it. If you don't like it, I saw you go. Big up on yourself. Big Voice Radio in the building. Big up on yourself. You don't know what to do. One love.